Inside the factory, this is how things are made. Every day, millions of potatoes become French fries. It all starts with carefully selected potatoes. They are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. Powerful machines peel them in seconds. Each potato is cut into uniform strips. Excess starch is removed for perfect texture. The fries are partially cooked in hot water. Then they are carefully dried. A quick fry locks in flavor. Flash freezing preserves freshness. Finally, they are packaged for delivery. From farm to fryer, this is how French fries are made. Subscribe for more factory processes.